It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I am on my way to downtown Port-au-Prince. This is ridiculous. This is the craziest shit that I've ever done in my life. There's a lot of kidnappings going on. There's a lot of murders happening at this time. Gangs are taking over a lot of towns. Now, if you don't know where I'm at, I am on Boudon Road, Pan American Avenue, or Pan American Street. I am close to Carrefour Musso right now. I am about to hit Carrefour Musso in about a second. In less than 5 seconds, I should be right at Carrefour Musso. Oh my God. I only see one motorcycle on the road. I see another one coming up. Who are they? Oh my God, it's so dark out here. Oh my God, am I gonna be kidnapped? Oh my God, look at, there's no lights whatsoever. Oh my freaking God, there's no lights. I see lights down the block. Oh, it's from this building. Oh my God, there's no light. I see a motorcycle. I see a motorcycle. I see no police at all. Oh my God. The motorcycle guy is looking at me. The motorcycle driver is looking at me. Like, what the fuck? Where you going at this time? 1 o'clock in the morning. 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh my God. Am I gonna get kidnapped? I see lights over here. It seems like there's lights down over here. Let me turn this shit off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Right now I am on Lalu Road. Oh my God. No police. Unbelievable. No police. I've been driving for about 4 minutes now and I ain't see no police. I see a motorcycle. Oh my God, there is no police. No police. I've been driving for 5 minutes. I am the only person on the road. Oh my God. I shouldn't have done that. I should not have done that because I feel like this is a big risk that I'm taking right now. I see a motorcycle. I see another one right now. I see a car turning over there. Oh my God. Oh my God. What am I gonna do? Oh my God. What am I going to do? I see a dog. Oh, holy shit. Oh, holy shit. I just hit Lalu. The streets right here. Oh my God. What am I supposed to do? Should I keep going? I see some people under this gas station. Oh, okay. I don't feel like going down no more. Oh my God, I don't feel like staying over here. I don't feel like going down. This guy is looking at me. Oh my God. Let me take the back streets. This guy is looking at me like I'm not from here. If you're not from here, to come here. Oh my God, I saw a girl walking by herself. Is she a prostitute? Why would she be over here by herself? Oh my God. Whoa, oh my God. I almost crashed. What the fuck? This is a one-way. Whoa, is a one-way. And the back streets, oh my God! The back streets are more dangerous. Let me go back to the main road. Oh my God. I feel like the back streets are more dangerous. I am in Portauprince right now. Where's the gas station? Oh my God. Yo, ça qu'a fait? Est-ce que je suis capable de descendre conduire boy ici?
Hein?
Est-ce que je suis capable de descendre?
Le boy ici?
Hein? Est-ce que je suis capable de descendre toujours?
Ou même?
Hein?
Non, on va là-bas.
Ça qui est en bas?
Ah, on va mon cher.
Hein?
On va là-bas.
Ça qui est en bas?
On va là-bas.
Non, besoin de connaître ça qui est en bas pour me descendre en bas.
Eh. Pas là-bas, mais on va là-bas.
Non, son vidéo m'a fait. On vidéo m'a fait. 1h du matin, je descends la ville à 1h du matin, sorti Petionville. C'est vidéo à ça.
Ah, ok.
Comprenez? Est-ce que je descend toujours ou bien rester là? Hein? Ok, bon, je tourne mon terrain. I feel like he was trying to set me up. I didn't want to keep going. I did not want to keep going that way. Oh my God. I'm not the only one. I see a guy going down that way. I don't know why. Now, what I want to do, I want to turn right here by the school, by the high school right there, and go on the other side as far as Petionville. I want to go to Petionville. Let me see if it's even possible for me to go to Petionville. Shit, this is the turn. I should turn right here. Oh shit, there's a barricade. I can't. Oh my God, it's so dangerous. They put up a barricade right there. Oh my God. So I gotta keep going. Oh my God, it's so dangerous. If you're not from here, don't come here. I don't want to learn the hard way. So, you know what? I did all that for you guys. I take this risk for you. I want you guys to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is a big risk. Oh my God. I am the only one on the road. Oh my God. I barely see vehicles. It's darkness, miles of darkness. I see a dog looking for food from the garbage pile. Oh my God. If you know where I'm at. Oh my God. If you know where I'm at. Don't do this. Don't try this. If you're in Haiti, don't fucking try this, man, because this is crazy. see a car over there. Oh my God, I hope this is. It's so dark. I just have to drive carefully. This is crazy. This is crazy. Finally, I made it back. Oh my God. I don't think I thought I these guys, they park right in the middle of the street, man. Right now, I feel just a little comfortable now. Because, you know, this is my hood.